Number of positive cases, new cases today is 406. The number of recoveries 314, and the number of total
of death.
active cases is 3,381, out of which 1,968 are in East Khasi Hills and 442 are in Ribhoi district. The number of deaths today is 8.
Number one, we have reviewed the bed capacity that we have throughout the state. And I would like to inform, I'm happy to inform, that backup mechanism is right now ready as far as bed capacity is concerned. One is in IIM, where the capacity is 300, and out of 300, 100 we decided to provide with concentrator oxygen. And another place is Sauli. The capacity is 100, and out of 100, 40 beds will be provided with concentrator. So therefore, as of today, the bed capacity is more or less still manageable. Then the point number 2 is relating to the 42,000 vaccines which is arriving the state tomorrow. 42,000 vaccines is going to reach tomorrow, and we discussed today how to go ahead in the vaccination drive. So ultimately we have taken a decision that those vulnerable districts will be earmarked more vaccines, and those who are not that vulnerable, health department will work out accordingly. And this vaccination drive will start from 14 May 21. This vaccination drive will start from 14 May 21. And these 42,000 vaccines is meant for the age of 18 up to 44 years old. Today we entrusted health department to work out all the details, and I would also like to share with you these 42,000 vaccines. Government of India has already created a portal, dedicated portal, where any citizens of the state can directly register or pre-register themselves. Until now, we don't know yet how many persons registered, and maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, health department will open the portal. Then only we will be able to know exactly how many persons went for pre-registration. Thirdly, in the review meeting, we were not happy to see the vaccination drive that we have conducted till today in the entire state with the age of 45 and above. We are yet even to reach 40%. To be precise, till today, the vaccination drive that we have done for the citizens of the state, 45 and above, is only 37 to 38%. So our request to all the concerned citizens of the state to kindly decide yourself individually, because from the government side we keep requesting, we keep convincing, we keep asking you to go to the vaccination centers, but still, as I said to you, we have reached only about 38% till today. So therefore, the solution is only if you get yourself vaccinated, you will be safe. But if you don't, the question goes to you individually. So I would like to appeal once again, therefore, the age group of 45 and above, please go and get yourself vaccinated. So these were the issues where we discussed today.